Hey Dad, can you please send me some pocket money through MoneyTangle?
Hey, Mama Ekaiti, how I want to send money give my pikin for Canada?
Mama came even me safe. I need to send money give Ekaiti.
Then, I just send money to my mom in Nigeria through MoneyTangle. It's easier and safer.
Really? I need to give it a try.
Have you ever been searching for the best way to send money from Canada to Nigeria and also from Nigeria to Canada? But it just got easier and better. MoneyTangle is the best and safest way.
Download MoneyTangle app from the App Store or Play Store or visit www.moneytangle.com.
To send money, sign up and upload a valid government ID, add beneficiary and send money. To receive money, request money by sending an email to upkeep@moneytangle.com. Make Naira deposit to a bank account provided to you. Provide recipients Canadian bank details, and recipient receives money in the Canadian bank account. You can also send pocket money to Canadian international students from Nigeria and pay Canadian international tuition fee from Nigeria. Engage us on our social media platforms, which are available on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and WhatsApp. Call us on 888-309-2119 or send an email to us on info@moneytangle.com.